Hi, I'm Michael Locke, Standard Automation Manager at Morris. I'd like to introduce you to the RoboJob Turn-Assist Essential Mini. This is a standard automation solution for tending Tsugami fixed-headstock lathes. Even though it has Mini in its name, it packs a powerful punch in unlocking the maximum efficiency of your machine tool.
This pre-engineered and pre-built system consists of a FANUC industrial robot, known for its exceptional reliability, dual pneumatic grippers, one dedicated for loading raw material and one dedicated for unloading finished material, a configurable stacking table that accommodates a wide range of part sizes and maximizes the amount of parts that can be queued, a safety laser scanner that allows for a compact overall footprint in front of your machine tool, and lastly, the RoboJob system controller, which makes this solution so easy to operate that you don't even need a robot specialist on your team. This robot is able to handle a max part payload of 14 pounds, which could either be a single 14-pound part, two 7-pound parts, one in each gripper, or any combination in between, not exceeding the max payload specification. The configurable stacker table can support parts of 1 inch to 8 inch in diameter and parts up to 8 inches in length. For shaft-type parts, this system has an optional shaft configuration that provides radial pick grippers and shaft fixturing for the tabletop. Setting up a job on this solution is easy and can be done in only minutes. By following the prompts within the RoboJob software, you'll input job information, such as part diameter and length, which spindles to load and unload, what cutting program to execute, and so on. Upon entering all setup information, the software will actually tell you how to build the table, as it has taken your stock size and determined the optimized part layout for the maximum number of parts. If you're someone who is looking to increase spindle utilization, obtain steady and consistent production output, address labor challenges, make more parts by the end of each week, or even match your machine's current output, but wish to free up your team's resources for other shop projects, then this standard automation solution is for you.
This is the RoboJob Turn-Assist Essential Mini. Thanks for watching.